Your handover video on the Coachman Lusson. So we'll start off here at the front of the A-frame. You have your Alco stabiliser. So to insert your table, black handle goes up, toe bar in, black handle goes down, Alco stabiliser goes down like so, and you'll see a green indication pop up there. To release the table, lift up the Alco stabiliser, black handle, table comes out. You have breakaway cable, jockey wheel, handbrake. You also have your 13-pin plug, which does your outside lights and your 12-volt to the fridge if your car is wired up correctly. Also, you have an ATC fitted to the van. There you go. If it is green, it is working. If it's red, it is not. You also have the gas locker, so you have your bulkhead regulator and 2 slots for a butane and propane gas bottle. And you also have storage at the front as well. You also have your whale pump in there. So whale pump goes in like so, it slots down, and your pump goes to the bottom of the alcohol. Here you have your battery locker, suitable for 110 and 85 amp battery, and your 230 inlet power supply. You have 2 waste points there, and here you have your filler point for your toilet. Here's your cassette. The cassette pulls out when you're ready to empty, plug in, back in. As you can see, all your lights working. Now inside the van. So as we go in the van, above the door you have your Coachman master control panel. So to turn on, you press this button here on the left, sorry, like so. To the right of it, just trying to get the screen to adjust, like so. Like so. Here we have your water pump, internal lights, and your awning light. So when the awning light is pressed,
yeah, all the cabling that's been joining each half to each other half, right, has all been cut.
Like so. Obviously you have various other settings to go through, but like I say, in the manual, please go ahead and have a look. For your water pump to go on, you press this button here, and that will turn your water pump on. And obviously to run it through the taps, hot and cold, but obviously when first get in the van, open it up and drain all the air out of the system. Also you have a pump on board fitted on board. So you go over to fill tank. At the moment it's on 3%. You then click this arrow here, filling tank, and that will fill your tank. As you can see on there, it says filling tank. To stop it, you press it again until it says fill tank, and that will stop, but your pump has to be on as well. So you would fill tank with your pump on, and that will fill your tank, which is underneath the bed like so. To turn off, press the pump and that button there, and that will stop filling your tank. Also underneath your sofa you have your consumer unit. So you have your main RCD, which is here. So when on a new power supply, you click the test button and it will make sure the RCD is tripping as it should. And next to it you have 4 separate MCBs for different things. So you've got charger and fridge, aircon, heater, boiler and sockets. Obviously that turns that appliance off. Also down here you have your fuses and what they are for. Also fitted under here, you have your 2 power touch mover boxes, and down here you have 2 drain off valves. They need to be in the facing down position for the water to stay in the system. If it is up, it will not, it will drain out the bottom. Also fitted to your van, you have an aircon unit. So to use the aircon unit, you press this button here to make sure it is, you can see this little black sensor. So you press it on, like so, just give it a few seconds. And I see the aircon comes on. And you have different multiple settings, temperatures, mode, that sort of thing. But the manual is in the book pack, so please have a look. Here you have a domestic Thetford fridge fitted. So to get it turned on, you hold this black button, this button in the middle here, and you'll see this panel will light up here. So at the moment we're on electric, but to change it, you click the click this silver button, and you scroll it to this icon here, and you can change it to auto, battery, gas, or mains. Obviously mains is when you've got 230 in the van. Obviously gas is when you want to use it on gas, and it will start ticking and it would ignite itself. Then battery is only when you're connected to your car, if your 12 volt is wired up correctly, and it will only maintain that temperature. In it you also have other various settings. Oh, that's just turned it off, sorry. But here you have a temperature that you want inside, so you have low to high, and you have other various settings in the fridge itself. To turn off, you hold this button here, and that will turn off like so. Also behind me we have your cooker. So you have an electric hob and 3 gas hobs, a gas grill and a gas oven, which I will light for you now. So I'll ask you to light. You hold this button here and you turn it anti-clockwise. Same with everyone else, you turn it anti-clockwise and you hit this ignition button here. As you can see, when all turned on, 3 gas hobs here, gas grill and gas oven all working as they should. To turn off, just turn anti-clockwise like so, and they'll all turn off. Hit this one here, controls your electric hob, so you have settings 1 to 6, obviously 1 being the lowest, 6 being the highest. Also fitted, you have a light for your oven, which like so. Also above the door you have your Audi control panel. So to turn on, this little button here, like so. So that is your standby menu sort of thing. Just tells you the temperature in the van, and obviously that you are connected to your mains and it's circulating. So at the top here we have what you want to set it to. I've got it set to 30. Then you've got your water on or water boost. Then you have your appliance you want it on, so electric, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt. Or you can have it on gas, or you have it on gas and electric. Right, so into the bathroom, fitted you have a Thetford toilet with an electric flush. So to flush the toilet, you hold the button down and it will flush water into the toilet. Then to release all the water into cassette, you grab the handle and push it away from you, which will open the flap. And then once done, close the flap, which then it will be able to, you'll be able to release the toilet cassette. Also fitted on the van, you have a EP hydraulic legs. So I'll just get the screen to adjust. So automatic, so when you get there on site, you wind down your jockey wheel as low as you possibly can. You press automatic and you press auto down. So that will automatically put your legs down and level the van by itself. And once it is done, you click this one here, which will bring the legs back up automatically. You can use it manually, so the front, 2 at the side and the back, the 2 jacks in the middle. But like I say, it's all in the manual, so please have a look and read just to find out further information. Also, in your pack when you bought the van, you will have a warranty cover sheet. It shows you what our warranty covers and what it does not. But please feel free to have a read through it just to see what the warranty covers. Right, now onto the mover on the outside of the van. Also fitted to the van, you have a power touch mover. So first of all, you will get your bar and you slot it on like so. And to engage it, you push it towards the wheel. And that will do it on both sides, so you have a front and a rear, and that will engage it to the tyres, like so. Once it is engaged onto the wheel, you can put your switch in and push it in and turn it clockwise. Now you can release your handbrake. Once handbrake is released, you hold these 2 buttons on here till you see the green line pop up like so, and that will be the box connected. So to go forward, brings it forward, backwards, front towards me, that away from me, and the opposite. Once finished, hold the 2 buttons on the controller, like so, till the green light goes off. Handbrake up. Switch turned anti-clockwise to turn it off. And to disengage the mover, bar on like so, push away from the wheels on the back, and also on the front. Also fitted on the van, which I forgot to mention, you have an alarm fitted. So to set it, you hold this button here, lock, give it a few seconds to set, then obviously when you go in, you have a sensor down here, and when it senses you, it will go off. But to unlock it, you press this button here, and that is unlocked. Thank you.